What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to the channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am going to be doing another wash and go, and I'm going to be using the Tahiti Cocktail jelly again. Remember when I first used this, I said I was trying to use up my products, and I thought that I had one of these open downstairs, couldn't find it. Well, guess what? When you clean up, you find stuff, right? So I did find it. So I do want to go ahead and try to get it used up because it's been open for a while, and then the one that I just recently broke into is still full, and I will put it to the side. But I'm using it again because one of you got in my comments and said that you thought that it would work well with the Frizz Whiz, and I was like, oh, I got that on hand, and I like the Frizz Whiz. I really like it with the allicate gel. So I said, well, let me see how it'll work with the Tahiti Cocktail, because remember, I want to use up things that are open, but I also want to give you guys different combinations that you can use in case for some reason you don't like the Tahiti Cocktail leave-in, which is what this subscriber said. She didn't really care for the leave-in, so she used it with, I believe, the As I Am Classic leave-in, which I really, he was fine, but I just recently used that, so I wanted to use this again. So I already applied it to my hair in the shower, and guys, my hair feels so good. It smells good. I forgot how much I liked this leave-in, so I'm gonna take a little bit of this and I'm going to apply it. I did do it in my hands and it seemed to work well together, so let's hope it will on my hair as well. And we're gonna see. My battery is running low, so I didn't even plan on filming this, but I thought that I would film it, you know, just in case. So I'm going to just do a few of these, and then my battery is going to run out. So I will come back when it's all applied, because I'm in a hurry too. It is Christmas Eve. So I'll come back when it's all applied and let you see the wet results, and then we'll look at the dry results after I sit under the dryer. So yeah, but right now, look at that. It's defining nicely. I like the Frizz Whiz. That's one thing that I really like from Soutanicals. Okay, guys, so I got it all applied, but this is going to turn off again, so I just wanted to let you see it wet. Now I'm going to sit under the dryer, and we'll talk about the difference between those two jars, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and my hair is dry. And before I left, first of all, my camera cut off. I'm sorry, I told y'all that the battery was running low. But I did try to come back and show you the wet results, and I was talking fast because it was great. The battery is great, run out again. But anyway, I think I said I was going to talk to you about the differences in these two jars. So you probably can see it. This side is much fluffier than this side. So I did all three sections, this one and the two in the back, with the Tahiti Cocktail that was downstairs that I found that was older, and I was able to use it up. Then I went into the one that I used just recently. This is a newer one. I just used this recently, and I put it on this section here. So side by side, you can tell that the hold is definitely different. I could feel it when I started applying this one. This one definitely feels and looks a little bit more, you see that? A little bit creamier, a little bit looser. Now, the custard has always had a thinner consistency than like a Eco or whatever. It's always been a little bit lighter, but it definitely seemed like it was thicker than this. But I hadn't used it for a while, so I didn't pay a whole lot of attention. But now seeing them side by side, I can definitely tell. I can feel the hold on this. This here feels frizzy. It looks frizzier than these. These look really, you know, more defined, where this has a lot more frizz in it. This side looks shinier. This looks a little bit duller. Not enough to really complain about, but it definitely is different. I even went in and added more of this to try to make it heavier and it didn't work. But I definitely have hold back here, and right now I can hear like a little bit of a crunch, but of course this is a softer gel, so once I stretch it, that little sound will be gone. But look at this. Now that doesn't mean I don't like this, because I used this recently and I liked it, and you know, it's defined, it's just a little bit frizzier, but it feels okay, like I like it to feel. So if all of this looked like this, then I wouldn't really be able to tell that much of a difference. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. I looked at the ingredients, and the ingredients are exactly the same, but the texture definitely is different. And like I said, I thought that it was different when I was using it, but I wasn't gonna mention that because it was like, well, Rachel, you haven't used it for a while, so maybe not. But then when I pulled this one out and I saw this one was a little bit thicker, I was like, yeah, the texture is a little bit different. And then I thought, well, this one's kind of old. Maybe it just started getting thick, you know? So I'm still kind of on the fence. But I am going to stretch this by clipping it and let me get my clips out of here. They're not matching, but I don't want to use the ones I came up here with because they still may have some conditioner or something on them and be a little wet, damp. So so yeah, I'm gonna stretch it like this and see how it stretches out. I'm not going to probably come back like I normally do, dressed and made up and everything, because I think I mentioned to you guys that it is Christmas Eve. And so I got stuff cooking. My son is gonna be coming over. I'm gonna be helping him make deviled eggs, and I got stuff to do. And the last thing I'm thinking about is getting made up and put on clothes, okay? Y'all get it. So, but I am gonna try to stretch my hair, and I might try to take it down and fluff it out and show you guys just to see if it makes much of a difference. But if not, I definitely will come back and show you guys what it's looking like tomorrow or the next day or third day hair or whatever. I definitely will come back and show you, you know, what it looks like and give you my final thoughts. Not final thoughts, because y'all know how I think about this, or I wouldn't be using it, but I'll just come back and let y'all see the difference. Yeah, give y'all the final thoughts on the combo. Maybe I'll just put it that way. I'll give y'all the final thoughts on the combo and whether I like the Frizz Whiz with it. I will say, like today, I do have a little bit more sound than I normally do with what I used last week or with the matching leave-in, but the Frizz Whiz is a curl defining leave-in, so it could be that the Frizz Whiz is giving it a little extra hold, so we're gonna see. Okay, all right guys, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and just put on some loungewear and get to cooking and wait for my son to get here, let this stretch a little bit, and then I might try to come back today, show you what it looks like stretched, and then I'll try to come back maybe on day 3 or whatever and let you know how it held up. So yeah, all right guys, I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, I popped back on real quick. I did stretch with clips, took it down, and my hair was still a very defined and had that crunchy sound to it that I don't necessarily like. So then I went on and stretched it a little bit with, and then it was all wonky too. So I went on and stretched it with my blow dryer a little bit. And so I have softened up that cast, although I still have a great cast on this side, a lot of definition, and it will loosen and get bigger as the days go on, and it's hanging, you know, a little bit longer. On this side, I still have a lot of definition. In the back, the same hold, but this top section right here is very fluffy, as I talked about. This is where I use the newer gel, And I don't mind the fluffiness, but if all of it was fluffy, I would like that better. The fact that I see it side to side, it's very noticeable. I thought about putting a harder hold gel on top of this before I dried it when I noticed it, but then I was like, no, let's just see. And now I wish I had. So this is really, after being stretched a little bit, it's really frizzy, and it's really, you know, a lot fluffier than this side, and it's shrunken up a lot more because of that. If this was a harder hold, it would be hanging down a little bit more, just like this side. So yeah, I wanted to show y'all that. I'm not going to be too worried about it today, because like I said, I'm just going to be hanging around. I just put on this cozy little outfit while I like wrap some gifts and stuff like that. So I ain't gonna worry about it too much. I don't know, we'll see how I sleep on it tomorrow, but if it looks like this tomorrow for Christmas, then I'm probably gonna have to really zhuzh this out to look more like this, because I'm not gonna put gel on this and try to make it look like this. I was gonna, because then I'd have to let it dry. But maybe if I did mousse, I don't know. Most likely I'm gonna make this look like this instead of vice versa. So, but I did want to come on and just let y'all see it, because like I said, I don't know how tomorrow's gonna go. I don't know if I'll be able to get on tomorrow. It is Christmas tomorrow. Family is going on and all that kind of stuff. So I probably won't pick up the camera to show you guys, but I'll definitely try to come back after a few days. So yeah, if I don't, I'll leave a blurb here. So anyway, that's it for this combination. I think it worked well as far as not flaking together. I think it gives pretty good hold with the other one. I'm not sure why this one does not hold as much. The ingredients are exactly the same, like I said. So yeah, I might try it again. Maybe I did something wrong. Maybe I used less of the, normally I'm heavy-handed on this side, but I don't know. Let me know if you've tried these two together and what you think of this. Leave it all in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.